Loyan,
Oh,
thank you.
hello.
For Thank you for waiting. I
That's okay.
I had a problem entering the class. I did not know. Maybe I had a hard time getting into the class. Maybe because of the uh, internet connection. So I was trying to fix it so that I could enter. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Thank you again for waiting, my dear.
That's
Okay.
okay, and I know that not your fault. I think the
I,
center they should set up classes. No, the
yeah,
time the time is not.
yeah. And
Uh,
also, I had my previous class is from 8 o'clock to 9. So
8 to 9.
yeah, eight to
No,
nine. I have
one
a one
hour.
hour class.
Wow.
1 hour class. Yeah. So I I I ended the class 8:55. So still I had trouble getting into the system. Okay.
Okay.
So let's proceed.
But
Are we going to have a chit chat first?
sorry, but anyway, I think yesterday we finished lesson 25, and today
Yeah,
let's
lesson
move.
25. So lesson
Yes,
26 now.
yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So can we have two questions for our small chit
Okay,
chat?
okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to ask you about this one. What annoys you about living where you live now?
About living, what?
Oh,
What
again.
happened?
Oh
You
my
clicked
goodness.
wrong button, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
What
Okay.
annoys you about
What
living?
annoys you about living you where you live now?
Ah,
Okay.
just
Are you familiar with the word annoys? Something that makes you angry?
yes. There are some things they
Yeah.
really, annoys me. I think um, in daytime,
Why?
daytime,
Why?
in daytime,
Yeah.
if I stay at my home, there will be there will be lot of noisy. Can I say it?
Okay. You cannot stand the noise at
No,
home.
I don't like noise. Noisy?
Oh.
I
Why?
don't.
Why is the place noisy?
Ooh,
Why does the place get noisy?
it's related to food and
Ah,
people. Uh, how can I say it?
okay.
Single.
Yeah. So that annoys you.
Yes.
Okay.
It is so
So
loud. Uh,
yeah. So how do you manage that? What do you do in order to keep yourself to compose yourself rather in order not to get adversely affected by the noise made by the wood?
this one,
Okay.
so
Yes.
wood.
Yes. The chainsaw chain.
Yes, yes, exactly. I don't
The
like it.
chainsaw. Okay.
Yeah,
Chainsaw.
but
Okay.
it's only happened on daytime and
During daytime. It only happens during daytime.
during daytime. And,
Yeah.
but daytime I will go to work in my company,
Okay.
so I didn't get uh,
So
noise.
you are near a what do you call this? A place where they are going to saw.
Some wood.
Oh
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Okay. My
Every
goodness. So
every, every
I
weekend.
cannot imagine the noise.
Yes,
Yeah.
every Sunday. I cannot, you know, took a nap. I take a nap at
Yeah,
noon
take a nap
because of
at
that
noon.
noise. Yes,
So you usually take a nap at noon.
yes. In Vietnam, we usually take a nap at noon for
Oh,
15 or 30 minutes.
okay. So in order to rejuvenate your body, okay?
Yes.
Rejuvenate, okay? Are you familiar with the term rejuvenate?
No.
So when you say rejuvenate, to keep your body energized again, okay? To
Energize.
refresh,
Wow. Oh
rejuvenate,
yes,
okay?
it's like refresh.
Okay. Say the sawing of wood. Okay,
Sawing.
the sawing that very what you call this a boisterous noise, right?
A bright toothbrush.
Boisterous noise, boisterous.
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 Yeah, a boisterous noise made or
Oh, oh. Boy,
a can you
boisterous. Boisterous.
yeah boisterous noise.
Boisterous noise.
Okay,
Okay.
noisy,
Noise.
energetic, rough. Okay,
Hmm. I don't like it.
okay. So are you uh do you get the idea when I say something boisterous? The place is boisterous.
Maybe I can put something on my ears.
Okay, so you you buy a headset so that you can cover
Yeah.
your
Okay.
ears from that boisterous. Okay, so the noise that annoys you. Okay,
Yes.
so let's proceed to the next question, Ian.
Okay.
Okay, so do you get annoyed when other people display bad manners and give okay? Do you
Yep.
get annoyed when
When
people
people
display some bad manners?
bad manner
Bad
replace
manners.
are
When
displayed.
they display bad manners, would you please give some examples?
Manners. It's like
Manners.
behavior. Behavior.
Behavior. Yes,
Behavior.
behavior. Yeah. Very good, Yan.
Yeah, I think I I don't like people displayed bad manners.
Bad manners.
Bad
So,
manners.
can you cite a specific example, Yan? What do you consider bad?
And
When do you say that such manner is bad? What do you consider a bad manner?
consider.
Yeah, what do you consider?
Mm,
How, how do you qualify that? How are you going to say that this manner is bad? I don't like this. I dislike this.
okay, okay, I got your mean. Mm,
Okay. When do you consider that? Oh, I don't like. I dislike this manner. So this is bad. So this is a bad
yes,
manner.
yes, yes. Okay, I will think about it. Uh, for example, like when people don't really know exactly uh, about some things in my family, but they will talk to uh, they will talk to other people, maybe neighborhood.
Okay, so
Uh,
you are talking about gossips.
gossip, yes,
Oh,
gossip.
Okay,
Gossip.
when people are gossiping about your family.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, when other people are spreading rumors about your family.
Sorry, can you repeat it?
Rumors, sp- spreading rumors.
Spread, spreading rumors.
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 Rumors are similar to
Oh,
gossips. These are
yes,
stories that are not true.
yes, exactly.
Yeah, I can hear from the background, Yan. Tuka, tuka,
Ah,
tuka.
yes, that kind
I
of
can, can
animals
I can,
in
I
my
can
mind.
hear the gecko. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a gecko.
yes, because
Tuka,
my
tuka.
garden has a lot of tree and a lot of
Yeah,
bird. In
a lot of
daytime, you will hear many sound of birds.
yeah. See, s- people who love nature actually will definitely rather like your place.
Yeah,
Okay.
especially in the morning, the bird sound. Wow, they,
Oh,
that
so
will make
yeah,
me,
if
wake up.
if Vietnam is near, if only we could travel from here to Vietnam in an hour,
Mm,
many Filipinos
mm.
would have flocked to your place. Because during the Holy Week, they're going to places where they can find peace with nature.
Yes,
And your place is the best destination for these
yes,
people who are looking for a very uh, silent, okay, a serene place. They can experience solitude with their creator. Okay,
yes.
solitude.
Solitude. Can you type
Yeah, solitude.
solitude?
Yeah,
Can I
and
say the atmosphere? Atmosphere in here.
no, yes, solitude is when you are alone, but you are
Wow,
not. When you are all by yourself, but you are not alone. You are in solitude.
wow.
Okay, you are
Solitude.
i- solitude. Okay, so I like the background. Tickle, tickle. I like the. And let's go back to let's
Oh,
go back to the
okay, okay.
question. Okay, yeah, yeah. You don't like when people spread rumors about your family
Yes, spread,
and or
spread.
gossips.
They are gossip.
Yeah,
Gossip is a noun. Is a noun.
yeah. Gossips. The word gossip is a noun.
Mm.
Okay. Can you see that? Are you
Yes,
googling it?
yes.
Okay.
I'm good.
Yeah, I can see that you're trying to Google it so that you will
Mm.
understand and you can relate with me when I talk about words that you are not familiar with.
Yes,
Okay. Very good. So can you see that gossip is a noun
yes.
and
And also
rumors.
is a verb.
Yes, you can also. People are gossiping about me.
Yes.
Okay. They have gossip about my life.
Okay.
Okay. So let's proceed now to our lesson. Okay.
Okay.
So we are already done with our little chit chat. Okay. That was a chit chat. Okay.
Okay.
So you're familiar with a chit chat. Okay.
No, I don't know teacher, but I
Chit chit
my
chat is a small chit chat is a small talk.
oh my Vietnamese use chatter, chatter.
Chatter.
Yes, chatter.
Yeah. Chit chat is an informal conversation about matters. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes important or not important.
Okay. Okay. Chit chat.
Okay. Chit chat. Okay. Let's have a chit chat.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. So let's proceed to our lesson, lesson 26 now.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to have a review. Okay, so we are going to pronounce the vowels that you have learned in the last lesson. Okay,
What was you learned in last lesson? Really?
yes.
Last
Is
lesson
this lesson,
we didn't learn about this
that was
one.
lesson 25, right?
Yes, but lesson 25 we didn't learn.
Lesson 25. Okay.
Yeah,
This was lesson 25.
we don't we didn't learn. Oh, we didn't
And
learn.
this is lesson 26.
Yes.
Okay?
Oh,
Oh,
maybe.
this is not part,
Yes.
it's not part
Just
of,
skip it and we
maybe.
can learn the
Okay, we'll
pronunciation.
just give. Okay.
Oh, I
Okay,
saw
so
this video. It's so
you already
funny.
saw the video.
Yes. But
Okay,
now
so
I
can you
think
tell me about, okay, you just tell me about the, um, why do you think the video is funny?
um, we tell about English class and
Yeah,
many students misunderstand teacher
misunderstood.
or misunderstood what teacher say said
What did the teacher say? Or what the teacher said?
but what the teacher said and it is so
Yes.
it's so funny.
It's so funny because there were different, the teacher was trying to mean something, but it
Yes.
was not the, he did not do it the proper way.
Yeah.
Okay, so it was something funny. Okay, at least you were able to see the video or watch the video, so we can skip this part and we
Yes.
can proceed.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, very good. That's good. That's the good thing about you, Yen. Okay, lesson 26. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so pronunciation. Okay, pronunciation. So we have number one. Will you please read it for me? The
It's
word.
the
Okay.
in word column like a spoon
Okay.
you
This one. Yeah. This one first.
this fruits your leaf
Ooh.
or what
Okay. Ooh. The pronunciation
ooh,
letter ooh. Yeah.
ooh,
Okay. Spoon. Sue. Zoo. Chew. Fruit. Okay.
okay, spoon, Jew,
Spoon.
spoon,
Zoo.
long ooh,
Okay.
it's a long ooh.
Mm,
Spoon,
balloon.
Jew, ooh,
Balloon. Canoe.
canoe,
Improve. Yes.
improve,
The canoe. Improve. Introduce.
introduce,
Yes.
introduce,
Again, you say spoon,
spoon,
sue, okay,
Jew,
zoo,
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 yes,
two,
and zoo,
zoo,
zoo.
zoo,
Okay, great. Next,
true,
true.
a true,
Okay, true. Fruit,
fruit,
fruit.
fruit,
Recruit.
recruit, recruit.
Okay, recruit.
Oh, what does it mean? Recruit.
You're going to recruit somebody. You're going to, okay, you're going to ask someone to come to your way. You say an army recruit. Okay. So if you're going to say you're going to persuade someone to work for the company or an organization,
It's like hire.
you are going to hire, recruit.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So you can use that as a verb and a noun.
Okay.
I can say Yen is a new recruit in the army. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. He's a
Ah,
new recruit.
how about recruitment?
Recruitment is another noun.
Huh.
Okay,
Okay, I will check it
noun, still a
later.
noun. Recruitment.
Okay.
Okay, it is the process actually, the recruitment process. Okay, it is a noun.
Yes.
Say recruit verb. When you say he's a new recruit, it's a noun. Recruitment is a noun as well.
Yes.
Okay, say balloon,
Balloon. Balloon.
balloon.
Balloon.
Okay, okay, so balloon,
Balloon.
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 Okay, canoe.
Canoe.
Do you, do you know what the canoe is?
Yeah.
Canoe. Are
It's
you familiar with that?
yeah, and I think I know. It's not a boat, but
Canoe.
canoe.
A
I
small, light, narrow boat.
just
Okay.
smaller than boat, and
Okay.
but the
Then you have
speed is faster.
pointed at both ends. Okay. It is pointed at both ends. And it has a flat blade. Canoe.
Canoe.
Okay. Then you have the next word.
Improve. I want to improve my speaking skill.
Yes. So improve.
Improve.
You want to improve. Okay. Say improve.
Improve.
Okay. Speaking skills. Okay.
Yes.
Your oral communication skills.
My own communication skill.
Yeah. Oral communications.
Oral. Yeah.
Oral communication skills.
Yes.
Okay. You want to improve your spoken English.
Oral communication skill. Okay.
Yeah. And introduce.
In,
Introduce.
in, into. Oh.
Okay.
Introduce.
So
I would say
it,
I was pronounce a pronoun like
you're
introduce. Introduce.
so you can say introduce. That is the U. That is the U.S. variation. Okay.
Oh,
Introduce. And but
introduce.
UK variation, you're going to say introduce. Okay.
Introduce.
Introduce U.S. UK introduce.
Okay.
Okay.
Introduce.
Okay.
Introduce.
Introduce. Okay. Now we proceed to the next part. Okay. Stress and pronouns. Okay. Stress. Okay. So, but you are familiar with pronouns, right?
Yes.
What is a pronoun?
Like I, you, we, they.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Pronouns are words that take the place of a noun. Like yen is replaced by she.
Yes.
Yen is replaced by I. Okay.
Okay.
If it is in the first person perspective. So, pronouns are usually unstressed. They have a weak pronunciation, right?
Oh. Okay.
So, when you is not at the end of the sentence, the vowel sound is often reduced to you. Okay, what do you? Okay, what do you do? What do you
Okay.
do? I work with computers. What do you do? Okay, do you? Do you?
Dear.
You do not say what do you? What do you? We say what do you do? What
What
do
do you
you
do?
do?
What do you do?
What do you do? What do you do? What
What
do
do
you
you
do?
What do you do?
Okay, what do you do? What do you do? It is unstressed. Okay,
Okay.
so there
What?
is no stress. Okay, pronouns are stressed when the speaker wants to emphasize them or make a contrast. Okay? Hey, so when you are going to make a contrast or an opposite, you are going to emphasize the opposite or the difference, then that's the time that you're going to stress the pronoun. Okay? She and I
Okay.
are good friends.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
You and I are very good friends. Okay?
Okay.
They say, I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. He was not happy. He was not happy. So you can emphasize, you can put the stress on the, you're going to stress, okay, when the pronoun is emphasized in order to make a contrast or to make a difference.
Okay.
Okay? Next, dialogue. Okay? We're going to have a dialogue. So I will be the first one, A, and you will be B, and I will be A, and you will be B. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
This is Lou. He's from Peru.
Nice to meet you, Lou.
What's new?
Does the usual. What's new with you? What's
Okay,
new with
what's
you?
new with you?
What's
Okay,
new with
what's
you?
new? What's new with you?
What's
Okay,
new with you?
yes, okay. How about you? Hello, Yan. How are you today? Hmm.
Yeah, I'm
How are
great.
you today?
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to emphasize you. Hello, how are you today? How are you today?
Yeah.
Is she fine? Are you fine? Okay.
Yeah.
So you're going to emphasize, okay?
Oh, I think this is my big problem because I only speak English without emotion.
Yeah. But Ken, I think we are already it's already 10:32. I'm afraid we don't have much time.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
scary.
Okay, okay.
My goodness. Next time I'm going to be tomorrow I'm going to be early. Promise. I
Okay,
promise to
okay,
you.
okay. Bye
Okay?
bye.
But if you have questions, you can message me via Skype, okay?
Okay. Oh, but I don't use Skype on my phone.
You can install the Skype on your phone so that you can message me if you have questions.
Okay, okay. Bye.
Okay? Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye, yeah.